Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about site of photosynthesis. As you know that photosynthesis is the process of synthesis, that is production of food by green plants in the presence of sunlight, which is entrapped by chlorophyll, which is green color pigment of the plant present in the green portion of plant, that is leaves and sometimes stem also. And in this case the raw materials are carbon dioxide and water. So in this video we are going to discuss where the process of photosynthesis takes place, that is what is the site of this photosynthesis process. So first of all we are going to cover the basic portion in which the photosynthesis takes place, and then we will be discussing about the specific site of photosynthesis. So initially we all know that chloroplasts are plastids. And what are plastids? Plastids are the double membraned organelles found only in case of plant cells. So chloroplasts are what? These are types of plastids which contain chlorophyll, which is green colored pigment. And these chloroplasts are very important and these are very vital for the manufacture of food. Without chloroplasts, plants won't be able to produce out food. Now, these chloroplasts are plastids. So, what are plastids? Plastids are the double membraned organelles found only in plant cells. Now, covering the parts of chloroplast. This chloroplast, which is a type of plastid, contain two main parts. One is grana, and singularly grana is called as granum. Second part is stroma. Now taking up these two portions individually. Now first of all covering grana. Singularly these are called as granum. So piles of flattened sac-like bodies are called as grana. These are flattened piles of sac-like bodies. Now, the flattened sac-like bodies of which this grana is composed of are called as thylakoids. Individually, the sac-like bodies are called as thylakoids, and when these thylakoids are piled together, when these are compiled together, the formed structure is called as granum singularly, and a lot of granum present in the chloroplast are togetherly called as grana. So what are thylakoids? Thylakoids are flattened sac-like bodies present in the chloroplast. These thylakoids, the term is derived from thalakos. Thalakos means sac in Greek. And when these sac-like structures compile together, when these are piled up, they are called as granum singularly, and plurally that is called as grana. Now covering second part of chloroplast, that is stroma. What is stroma? Liquid matrix which is present inside chloroplast is called as stroma. So the liquid portion which is present inside chloroplast is stroma. Now specifically covering the site of photosynthesis. The thylakoids, which are sac-like structures compiled together or piled together forming grana, contains protein complexes, chlorophyll, and it is a site, it is a place where the photosynthesis process, the photosynthesis reaction takes place. So, thylakoids membrane contain protein complexes, and in that they have chlorophyll, which is green color pigment, and it is a site where photosynthesis reaction occur. This is longitudinal section of chloroplast, showing various parts of chloroplast. The liquid matrix present inside chloroplast is called as stroma. The sac-like structure is called as thylakoid. There are various sac-like structures in this case. So there are various thylakoids inside chloroplast. When these thylakoids are piled up together, they form this structure which is called as granum. The pile of thylakoid singularly is called as granum, and all together these piles of thylakoids are called grana. The plural is grana, the singular one is granum. These thylakoid contain protein complexes that have chlorophyll, and this is the site where photosynthesis process takes place. So this one is what? This one is a type of plastid. Chloroplast is a type of plastid. And what are plastids? These are double membrane cell organelles which are present only in case of plants. So plastid, one of the variety is chloroplast. Inside chloroplast, the liquid portion, the liquid matrix is called as stroma. The sac-like structures are thylakoids. When thylakoids are piled together, they form granum, and togetherly in plural form, granum are called as grana. And these thylakoids, they contain protein. The protein contain chlorophyll, and it is where the photosynthesis process takes place. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.